Let's see if this little stand mixer can handle a whole cold block of cream cheese.
So I finally got my mini stand mixer by Kitchen in the box. It's all cute and pink, and it has 10 speed settings. It comes with 3 mixing tools, 2 mixing bowls, and this clear splash guard. It's a perfect size, even for my tiny countertop space. Brand name mixers are like $300, but this one's way more affordable. All right, let's go and do a mix test. I'm running this on high for 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. So far, I see that it's powerful, no splashes all over the place, and this would take way too long by hand. Glad I have this because it whips up icing really fast. It comes out velvety smooth and it doesn't have any clumps. I already know I'm going to be using this a lot during holiday. Grab yours before they sell out. I'll put a link at the bottom so you can grab one while it's still on sale.